see it on him right here. Look. And now I'm back in. Oh, and also, I have my cat here. Oh. Yeah, cat. Say hi to my viewers. No? Okay. Well, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And now we're here. So, yeah. He's just gonna. He wants to go inside, so we're gonna make him go inside. Oh, come on. Now you have to be in frame, buddy. See, he really wants to go inside. Okay. Stay right here. We'll get you inside right now. And let's go. And that completely gone. No, he's actually just right there. Yeah. See, now he doesn't want to go inside. So that's the end of the video.